everyone, magandang araw sa inyong lahat and welcome to my vlog. Today, let's travel back in time as we explore the northern part of Armenia from Georgia. We're going to Armenia with Marcus. Please don't forget your printed e-visa and passport kasi kailangan siya doon sa immigration. After this bridge is the border of Georgia and Armenia. So here you will present your e-visa and passport in the passport control. So you can see here Georgia and that part is Armenia, and at my side is the border. We are now here in Armenia, so magpapalit muna tayo ng ating pera into Armenian dram dito sa supermarket. Nakakamangha talagang pagmasdan ng paligid kapag nandito ka na sa Armenia. So makikita nyo na yung difference and transformation of landscape. So dito makikita na natin yung mga magagandang tanawin ng mga canyons. So nakakatuwang pagmasdan. Ang una naming pinuntahang sikat na attraction dito sa northern part of Armenia ay ang Hagpat Monastery. So also known as Hagpatawang. This is a medieval monastery complex in Hagpat, Lori province and constructed between the 10th and the 13th century. Hagpat Monastery together with Sanain Monastery was placed on UNESCO's World Heritage List in 1996. So both of them represent Armenian religious architecture. So nakakatuwa na nabisita natin itong isa sa UNESCO World Heritage Site ng Armenia. So by the way, hindi namin nabisita yung Sanain kasi under construction o renovation yung daanan doon. Kaya meron kaming binisitang other church. The monastery is situated at almost top of the mountain, so expect steep road, but on the contrary, be amazed with the stunning view of the Debit Canyons during your trip. So once you are in the monastery, don't forget to roam around and mesmerize with the overlooking view of the Debit River and the mountains. So it feels like I was really brought back in time. So really a medieval place indeed. So bali walang bayad yung pagpasok o pagbisita dito sa monastery na ito. Pero kung gusto nyo mag-donate, okay din. Regarding naman sa ating kasuotan, please be reminded of our attire. So dress conservatively sa babae, hindi kita yung balikat, and sa lalaki huwag tayo mag-short. So now let's go to our next tourist destination. So if you happen to be in the city of Alaverde, Lori province, don't forget to visit one of the famous structure here in Armenia. So this is called the Sanain Bridge. As per history, the bridge was erected in the late 12th century by Ivani Zakarian and sister of Zakari Zakarians, Queen of Vanini, in the memory of her husband Abbas Kyrikian. This medieval bridge has an 18.6 meter single span that connects both banks of the Debit River with aligned sculptures on the stone barrier. Also, you will see here the old plant of copper. So yun yung nakita nyo yung planta dun sa likod. So meron siyang view ng mga canyons, mountains, and then the plant. So now let's go to our next tourist destination. Nestled among rocks and canyons in the south of Odzon of Lori province in Armenia is this monastery, which is a wonder to behold. This monastery is called Horomairi. So there is also a cliff on the side. So that's why people will call this Horomairi Cliff and the monastery. So again, this is another stunning tourist attraction located in a remote area that you should not miss to visit when you travel here in northern part of Armenia. Once nandito ka na, mamemesmerize ka talaga ng ganda ng canyons as well as the monastery. So just be careful not to go closer to the rocks in the cliff. So some of the rocks have cracks. So for safety reason, we have to be careful. So again, at the top of the cliff, you will see the three-chambered chapel. Ito nakita natin. While at the bottom side is the abandoned Horomairi Cliff, which is already in ruins but still wonderful. So makikita natin siya doon sa bottom side dito sa may gilid. So what an amazing view, nakakamangha talaga yung paligid dito, especially yung nakita nyo mga bundok and yung canyons, nakakatuwa. So I'm really happy na napuntahan ko itong lugar na ito. So dito yung sinasabi kong bato na may crack, so yan, huwag kayong maging pasaway dyan, so kaya napagsabihan ako. So dito lang tayo sa safe side. So para mapuntahan yung lugar na ito, you can book a tour which will drive you up here. Otherwise, you can plan for your DIY and do hiking activity. But I prefer the first kasi medyo mahirap pumunta dito. So mas maganda na nag-book na kayo ng tour sa isang agency dito sa Armenia or sa Georgia. So now let's go to our next tourist destination. So as mentioned, since the Nine Monastery Road is not accessible during our trip, we visited Odzon Church instead. So I must say this place is also amazing. I am really glad to see this medieval church which was built around 5th to 7th century in Odzon village of the Lori province of Armenia. So the location of the church is also superb, and I can't describe the feeling. So it felt like I was in an old movie. Around the church is numerous gravestones of the ordained priest as well as the funerary monument. The church has fence, and on the other side are the cherry tree which I really adore. So I just hope I came here in earlier date so that I can experience picking cherry as well. Nakakamangha din talaga yung lugar na ito. So by the way, I am using Insta360 camera para makapture yung mga shot na ito dito sa aking video. So I'm really happy na dala-dala ko itong camera na ito kasi malaking tulong siya dito sa aking pag-vlog ng lugar na ito. So it's really wonderful. It's a wonderful place. Yun lang masasabi ko. So hope you are enjoying the video, and I hope na nakatulong yung mga shots na ito para mas makita natin yung ganda ng paligid. So ayan, iniikot na natin yung buong paligid ng Odzon Church. Tapos pasok naman tayo sa loob. So ito yung entrance niya, papasok. So makikita natin yung loob niya. So ganito yung itsura ng Odzon Church sa loob. So ayan. So, napapansin nyo, wala siyang upuan. So ganito talaga yung mga Orthodox Church dito sa Armenia. So next, after a tiring and fulfilling trip, it's about time to take lunch in the magnificent Men's Air Cave. Pero bago tayo kumain, so bisitahin muna natin yung sikat na Ancient Cave Museum dito. So bali yung lugar na ito is meron ding restaurant with an overlooking view of stunning Debit Canyon. So the restaurant serves delicious Armenian food and special dishes. So dyan yun siya. So now, pasukin muna natin itong Ancient Cave Museum nila. So balang entrance dito is 1,000 Armenian dirham.
It's about a big cave.
Okay.
So our cave is from volcanic, but started at 10th century. It was a hiding place for the people and monks of monastery and the village of Sanahin. This road, our second road, which goes on Sanahin.
Okay.
But at the time of Soviet Union, the cave almost closed. Yes. And the cleaning work started at 2018. The local
The cave is small but exquisite. So you will see here old lamp, jar, and life-size mannequins in traditional garments which present a certain period of life of the Lori region and inhabitants. So at the end side of this cave, you will see here the amazing view of the Debit River and the canyon. So this is the place na sinasabi ko. So ayan po, nasa likod na natin yung Debit Canyons. Tapos sa baba niya yung Debit River. So amazing view. So now let's take our late lunch. So tapos na natin yung tour. So by the way, so if you're curious kung magkano yung tour package na ito po ay 180 USD from Georgia, including na yung ating e-visa. So I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.